Hey there, I have an excellent new recipe for you. It's broccoli, cheddar, and sausage tater tot bake. This protein-packed dish is perfect for a spring brunch, light dinner, or even a snack. Let's get started. The ingredients you need are frozen tater tots, olive oil, yellow onion chopped, minced garlic, Italian-style chicken sausage links cut into 1/4-inch pieces, broccoli florets, large eggs, reduced fat milk, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and shredded sharp cheddar cheese. To get started, preheat the oven to 375 and spray a 13 by 9-inch pan with cooking spray. Lay the tater tots in a dish and set it aside. We'll get back to that in a minute. Let's get to browning the sausage and the veggies. In a skillet, heat the olive oil over medium-low heat. Add the onions and cook until it's tender, about 3 minutes. Then add the garlic. Be sure to stir occasionally so the onions and garlic don't burn. In the same skillet, add the sausage and then the broccoli and cook them for an additional 4 minutes until browned. Is it time to eat yet? Take the onion mixture and pour it evenly over the tater tots. We're almost done prepping. In a bowl, whisk the eggs, milk, seasoning, and pepper together, and then pour that over the mixture in the tater tot pan. Of course, I gotta have my cheese. Sprinkle it evenly over the pan and bake this for about 45 minutes until the top is brown. When it's done, cut it to pieces and serve immediately. I just love when things come together so easily, and this recipe is one of them. You can enjoy this by itself, or you can pair it with some fresh fruit, even a spring salad with a vinaigrette dressing. Enjoy, and I will see you all next time.